Hey everybody, the recipe that I want to bring to you today is one of my personal favorites. It is a great alternative to that everything bagel that is off limits if you're on a ketogenic diet, a plant paradox diet, or even a vegan diet. We've got you covered. It's simple, it's easy, it's tasty. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to start with our coconut milk. Pour that in there. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup arrowroot starch, and since I'm doing this one savory, I'm going to put in some garlic powder, add in some onion powder, and then a small amount of baking powder, and then top it off with a little bit of salt. From there, we're just going to go ahead and blend or mix up your ingredients. Now that our mix is ready, we're going to pour it into a pan on medium heat. Should only take about a couple minutes on either side to get it nice and golden brown. This recipe usually makes you about 10 to 12 of these wraps, which is great for meal prep to save you time throughout your week. So now that our bagel wrap is ready, it's time to top it. I did mine plant paradox style. I've got some organic cream cheese here. I've got some spinach, and then of course I top it off with my wild caught smoked salmon. It's looking really good, I know. All right. Now it's time to try a bite. That's so good. I could eat that every single day.